Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. I know it's been busy week for everyone, and but it felt so good to be home and just spend time with family, and it was nice, like so rejuvenating. That is my favorite kind of holiday any day. I That's why I think I call myself as an introvert. There was a video that day, it was I think it's some YouTube short or something, where it said an introvert will feel so drained after a busy parties or all those stuff, whereas an extrovert will get energy from that. So for me, I think I am more like an indoor person who likes to stay at home, have a cozy day, those kind of stuff. So today we are going to pick the winner for the minis which I announced. Thank you so much for everyone who shared the review. It's always good to hear from you guys instead of me talking about the products all day long, because here I can talk about it endlessly, every single product, whether it's lip sense, whether it's shadow sense, or even our skincare, our hair care. I will talk about so long, but when it comes to hearing from the customers, it makes a huge difference for more than anything. So that way the customers can relate to it, whether it's a makeup newbie or a skincare newbie. This really helps them to think that, oh okay, even I can step into and start exploring more. So that's why those kind of posts always makes a huge difference in anyone. So thank you so much whoever have shared their review. I'm going to pick the winner, and the winner can pick whichever set they want to do. They can either pick the shadow sense, mini shadow sense, or they can pick the mini glosses. So it's going to be the winner choice. So I will contact them once it's over. Every order is in the second stage. Like when you place it in the website, there is only two stages. Like first it will always be when you place the order, but after that it immediately moves to a stage where it gets processed. All the Thanksgiving Day orders are now in that stage. So hopefully I am expecting early next week or something it will start to process it, because that way I can start sending not only the tracking numbers, but also I can send the the videos that are related to that. So I'm going to again post the current colors are in stock. I know people always have thought that all the good ones are picked earlier, but this time every color whatever they have curated in this sale, they all are really good ones. So that way you are still have so many good ones to pick from. So today's look, I thought I will do bandana shimmer with platinum glitter, because this dress has if you can see here, yeah, red and silver. So that's what I'm going to do. I know with only the glosses, majority of the colors are sold out, but with shadow sense and shadow sense and lip sense, you still have it. So this is like a more maroonish red with a little bit of glitter, and when you see it in the tube, people may think, oh, where I am going to use the red, but that's the reason I always want to show you guys like this. If you see, it's with shadow sense, you have the versatility that whether you want to make it sheer or whether you want to look really bright. So the same color, if I layer it so many times, I can make look really prominent. Whereas if I want the color to be little lighter, you can see this is very light layer of bandana shimmer. So that is the reason I get ready in live, because I want you guys to see it's not a rocket science. There used to be an ad in my local radio where they will be like, do you want a computer career? It's not rocket science. Anybody can learn it in 4 months, and you will be working in computer field too. So every time when I listen to that, Krish will be like, is it true, mom? Is it like that? So, but sometimes I feel like it's not about that, it's about practice. Similar way, makeup is not rocket science, but it's through practice. That's all it is. So, I always say to you, take a clean brush. You can see there is nothing in that, and always make sure you do like a windshield wiper motion. That way, there is no harsh edges in that. So, what's like shadows and colors are buildable, so that way if you need more you can always layer it 1 or 2 times, and that way the color will show up really more. As I said, you may think, oh my god, where I'm going to use like a bright red or a bright gold or the stuff, but here if you think this is more like a canvas color, so you can always pick. Do you see that when you have a proper outfit to go with it, even a one layer of such a color is going to make a huge difference to you. So sometimes it's not with the color. Don't get afraid of what is it, like the color in the tube, whether it's shadow sense or lip sense. Here you have the ability to control it, so you can make for this is like very light layer of bandana shimmer. If you want, I can add a little bit more just to show you how you can increase the redness, but as it is, you can see it just adds a tiny bit of color and it's good to go. Like you don't need to do like too bold all the time. You can simply leave it. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit just to show you how you layer if you want more to show up. Do you see the difference? Here I'm just patting the color instead of blending. That way I have the color payoff. So with shadow sense takes such a small amount. If you see, I am never using this. This is just an applicator to take the color away. Whereas this is you need to use a brush. Sometimes I use my fingers too, but for some of the colors, if you need blending, then obviously you need to use a brush. Today I have a customer coming up to pick her holiday minis, so anyway I'm getting ready to meet her. So I thought anyway I will show you guys, and I don't want to drag picking the winner too. So do you see now the color is little bit more. Similar way, if you keep adding more layers, the color will be even more darker. Same time you can here I'm just showing you how you will use just one layer of the color. You can always use more than one layers too, so more than one color too. For example, if you have got gold, you can add gold. Based on the outfit only, I always pick the shades. If I have even I can add a darker blue if my saree is like blue and maroon. Here I'm going to add the platinum glitter, which is like a silverish gray. As I said, my dress has like black silver, so since I'm going to use the eyeliner in black, here I'm just going to use like a very tiny amount. Anytime when you use a glitter, do you see these colors are really pretty. So the bottle sometimes doesn't do justice at all for the color, so you pick the color and I'm just going to press it in my lid. So, and I will just blend it across. Anytime when you have a glitter, that's all you are going to do, and this will be such a fun party look for an evening. That too, now that Christmas and New Year parties will be there, these will make you stand out all day long. But at the same time, with Senegen's glitters, you will not have glitter particles that is falling all over. Since I am pressing it, that's the reason I am pressing it against my skin. So the warmth in my hand is going to help melt it, and it's going to stick all day and there won't be any fallout at all. If you see, it's such a quick look, I would say, and you don't need to have too much time to do that. I'm going to still, anytime when you do an eye look, make sure you finish it with your eyeliner, because that's going to make a huge difference in the eye look. You never judge the eye look until you finish your eyeliner. So, and as I said, if you are a beginner, make sure you rest your hand on something. Here I don't have my table on, so I'm just doing it as it is. But if you are a beginner and you feel like your hands are shaking, make sure you rest it. Same way, you can hold your pinky here for a support and just draw simple tiny lines. That way, do you see the difference between finishing it with an eyeliner versus not having it? So always having an eyeliner makes a huge difference if you're doing a shadow sense look. So here I just made a small wing. I'm just finishing it so that I'll be ready and I can finish your raffle before my customer arrives, because that way most probably Monday I can ship you guys the product, whoever is the winner. I know the packages are going to be little delayed with the the holidays, but I will ship it from my side. In the new house, the advantage is my first thing, I have a letterbox outside my house in NC. If the house is built before 2014, 2014, then you have the letterbox outside. My previous house is a little newer than this, so I didn't have the post box outside. So that's like a small, like a triumph for me, so that I can keep outside and they can pick it up. And I'm just going to finish it with the black liner here, black pencil. Once you try Senegen's pencil, you will never go back, because it's so creamy and it's so easy to finish it off. I have a bigger eye, so I like to go all the way in. If you have a smaller eye, you can either keep it outside or don't go all the way in. So similar way, my nearest post office, it's just like not even 0.5 miles. It's like so close to my house, so that way I can reach anytime. So I will be dropping. I will also finish it with my mascara later, but meanwhile I will show what are the colors still available. I have something in mind, but let me show you my choices I had. These are still available in the $10 section, so colors are sold out. You still have so many choices to pick from. So you can see all these will go really well. A crimson, which is like a more of a maroonish shade, such a pretty one. All these shades will look really well on our skin tones. We have sheer red, currant, crystal mauve. It's such a wonderful everyday shade. If you're looking for a very light day-to-day shade, crystal mauve will be really nice, and it's very sheer, so that way you can control how much you need. And we have brick and currant are really close to each other. Berry is my all-time favorite, and today most probably I'm going to do sheer berry diamond, I think, because sheer berry diamond is this color is so pretty on our skin tone, and it will go really well on how I have paired my eye look with, because the eye look has silver and red tone. So similar way, sheer berry diamond has diamond particles in it. We have 3 diamonds: sheer berry diamond, caramel apple diamond, and bombshell diamond. So sheerberry diamond will look really well for a party look, and so that's what I'm going to do. Today I have friends coming over, and also I have evening meet. So I may get ready. If I'm using another color, I will post it too. Today is what is today's date? I don't even remember. I think it's today's 27. So you still have 2 more days left in picking the these products in this amazing $10 value. 29th is the sale getting over, so Monday will be the last day for you to pick up, and make sure you grab these in some, as I always say, the usual shades you are anyway going to pick up. So pick up a shade you will never try, because that's going to make you step out of your comfort zone, and also you will be surprised on how you are liking the color too, because I'm just cleaning my lips before I go ahead with my lip sense. This is a must-have step. You don't have to do with witch hazel like I do. You can just use a plain water. Today I didn't have much, but usually sometimes if I have done powders, if I done what else, any foundation or anything, it's going to show up there. Let me do 1 layer of sheerberry. This is sheerberry diamond. We do have sheerberry, and this is sheerberry diamond. Sheerberry is not on sale. Sheerberry diamond is on sale. Usually it's a $30 color. So it's on sale for $12, which is a steal, I would say, for a full size bottle. Sheerberry is my top seller in the first year when I start selling out, because I think most of my customers were moving from another brand. Hi Deepa. So I was doing another look from the colors that are left. Today I forgot to post before hopping on live on the sold out shades, but still there are like really beautiful shades. So I did bandana shimmer with platinum glitter for my eyes, and I did starry sky, and I'm doing sheerberry diamond as my lip color. Cloudy is fighting with Krish, I think. They still have Science Olympiad today. So I need to finish and go look after him. So as I was saying, many of my customers were moving from another brand. So they all had one color that is like they all used to wear, and that was really close to sheerberry. So in my first year, sheerberry was one of the colors that they all picked up. So I still remember, that's why. But sheerberry diamond, whenever it's a diamond color, it is little little lighter than the actual color, because here you have the diamond finish in it. So that way it has like a little bit of shine, whereas sheerberry will be little darker than this. So the last and final layer. So how did your shopping go? For me, yesterday I went to outlet. Now that I have a teen, it's like everything shopped based on his one. Everything has a specific requirement, like the hoodie has to be like this, the shoe has to be like this, like I cannot wear that color, I cannot wear this color. So the list goes on and on, like it is a very big list. So that way these days we don't Hi Kusuma, good morning. So we don't select anything, so it's all on him. So yesterday it was like literally we went by 9 o'clock or something. We came back till 3 o'clock. Everything shopped by him. I just got two beanies. That's all they got me. They both bought everything, and for me, I think I'm more of a online person. So whatever I went, I was like, I don't know which to pick. I will, I will pick online. So here I am just sealing it with glossy. So what I have here for today is all again from the sale. So I did bandana shimmer. I don't know where did I keep. Let me keep it 1 sec. Yeah, sorry. I had bandana shimmer, which is like a red with shimmer on all over, and I did platinum glitter on top, as my dress had these two colors, and I paired it with the black eyeliner just to, I don't even have any mascara on so far. And for my lip I have done sheerberry diamond. So all three are on sale. So these two are $8 each and this is a $12. So you have such a wonderful colors to choose from still. And thank you Kusuma, thank you so much. Like I wanted to pair because this is a question I always get, like how do you come up with your eye look or something. So I always pick based on the outfit I wear. Either the outfit will give you the colors to choose from, and then I pair the accessories and I pair a lip look. Since today I didn't go too much, like I paired it what is it, like since the whole dress is going to be black, I have the liberty of using it both in a red look or something. If it is this if the outfit is too bright, then I make one of them subtle and one of them pop. So if I want my eye look to pop, then I have my lip look to be subtle. Let me also show how I can use the bandana shimmer as my blush too. So don't be afraid that it's going to be too much red. So instead of applying it directly on the cheeks, always apply it on your what is it, like in a palette or in your hand. For me, I use my hands as a palette, but you will also get palettes like this where you can, this sheet will not absorb the makeup, so that way you can just tear it every time and use it. So you can use that too, or sometimes I use the back of my bottles, like for example you can see here, like I always use this surface as my palette too, because you want the color to spread evenly instead of all at once. Do you see? So when I do this, the brush gets the color evenly and then I can press it a little bit. So always make sure you blend really well. I think Kusuma also last week said she took a little bit of the blush, whereas it was a lot with SeneGence. That's one thing. Always you can add more. See, if you feel like this is more, always go back your foundation brush and just press it a little. That's all it is. Like it will slowly start to settle in your what is it, like your skin's warmth. So that way give it some time and it will be really nice to have that blush on. So with LipSense, that's what I mean, not only LipSense, ShadowSense or blush, there are always like thousands of ways for you to use the same product. And let's go ahead and pick the winner. I think I talked enough about it. As I was saying, except the glosses, I think only 2 glosses are there as of now, if I'm not wrong. But other than that, I think you still have so many choices when it comes to LipSense colors, because there are still berry is there, sheer red is there. Yesterday I wore the peach one, because I think there are 2-3 peach colors, the peach perfect, peach chiffon and other things. So you still have many peach shades left, and there are even reds left, candy cane and other things. So you still have these many colors in stock in the website, so you can still make sure to purchase them. Let me push it a little bit before I go over. Yeah, except the gloss, which I think gloss is the first one that got sold out. I am very sad that the custom coral also sold out, but let's pick the winner here. Let me turn my camera. Yeah, so here I have all the names that they shared the review for it. So let me shuffle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good luck to everyone. Let's see who will be the winner of the holiday minis. Sharon, congratulations Sharon. So you will be the winner of the holiday minis or the fresh baked. I will contact you so that you can pick your choice. And once again, thank you so much everyone who shared the review. Anytime when you guys share a picture, when you do a review, it makes me so happy because as I always say, when someone shares about how they like the skincare or how they like to wear some makeup, then that's what it's all about, like feeling confident on what you do. So nothing more. And the other important announcement is I'm going to do the next 10 people for the skincare challenge. So I will post that also. So if you are interested, please do comment under that post. When you comment, I will be contacting you and I will be sending you 5-day worth of skincare samples, and we'll be doing a video call. It can be in FaceTime, it can be a Facebook Messenger call or a Zoom call, anything as per your convenience. And then we will do one-on-one skincare review and try these products in your hand. And I'll be needing 2 pictures from you. I won't post anywhere. It's just for me to submit to the company. I need to do 40 phases in 1 year for the certification. So I have started, and my first month I have done few. So this is for the December one. So if you are interested, please make sure you comment under the post so that I can ship you guys the samples, and then we'll go forward with the video call. So thank you so much once again. See you all soon.